how to fix Steam connection error. If you would like to fix connection error on Steam, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then let's say you're having issues with the connection on Steam. First, you can try closing Steam. Also close them from the background. From the bottom right, go to System Tray, right click the Steam icon and select Exit Steam, and then only after that has been done, go ahead and then try to relaunch Steam on your computer. So that should sometimes help you solve the problem. Basically, you might also want to check for other issues like your internet connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi or internet is working just fine. You can also try to restart your computer by going to the power option and going to the restart toggle that you can see right here. Now sometimes it could be the issue with the Steam app itself. So you want to check for Steam app updates. On the top left, go to Steam, select the option called Check for Steam Client Updates. Check if the Steam app has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve your problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.